Hey, welcome to Scoopy Loopy. I'm your girl Uns, letting you in on the loop of the latest scoop. In today's segment, Ding Dong Ravers ties the knot. Daddy One hit single surpasses 1 million views on YouTube. Koffee collaborates with Ed Sheeran. Razab receives Canadian award. And Shauna Controller set to perform for Reggae Sumfest 2019. Also in today's segment, A-Maroon bleaches skin. Busy signal involved in motor vehicle accident. Drenched set for July 7th. Kim Kardashian renames her shapewear line. On the local scene, Ramesh entertainment-based artist Ding Dong Ravers has tied the knot on Saturday. The artist, whose real name is Kemar Otti, has officially declared that he is now off the market as he weds longtime girlfriend Tashana in an exquisite all-white themed shindig. The celebration was open to entertainers like Safari, Disha Ravers, TJ, and Ramesh being tasked as the best man.
When you're part with me, shh, look here, look at me, looking at my eye there.
Yeah.
Anything you ask for, you get. Say you want fireworks, fireworks you get. And you know
Also on the local scene, Montego Bay's newest protege, Daddy One, is now dominating dancehall airwaves in Jamaica. The artist is now celebrating his 1 million view mark on YouTube for his hit single Out Here.
With the team, with your FM, turn we out here. Mix up a G and G with the bio clear. Foot them white in a me new Nike Air. Air Force One, every man want a pair. We a live the dream, them living a night.
Also on the local scene, Shauna Controller is one of 5 female entertainers confirmed for Reggae Sumfest. The event is scheduled for July 14th to 20th. The fast-rising dancehall entertainer, who got the taste of Sumfest in 2015, reveals that she has been anticipating performing at the internationally acclaimed stage show, which is known to pull over 15,000 patrons a night.
Do me body and then me go a gym. Step out well, carve out and trim. Some gyal a loves and a bad mind the thing.
Reggae singer A-Maroon is one of dancehall's latest artists to participate in skin bleaching in the music industry. The missaled, single artist notes that he is proud of his bleaching. The entertainer said that in April he decided to alter his appearance using products like tamarind gel and Idol skin lightening cream. To feed from the attention he has been receiving, A-Maroon has released Wanna Dead No Dashway, which he hopes will be just as popular as Missalt, the 2008 single that propelled him to stardom. The new track is produced by Sean Nizzle, who the singer has been working with for the past few months.
Want to get lucky.
In a male-dominated industry, female promoter ZJ Nova says Drenched has been a growing success over the years. According to the DJ, Drenched is all about high-energy partying and to have fun while doing it. She added that it's going to be one of the most memorable party experiences ever. The event staging, the 7th event that is scheduled to be held on July 7th at Roy's Plaza in Junction, St. Elizabeth.
everybody feel sing the party. That's the real, no real. I'm the big of the real people in front. Let me tell you.
I don't worry about them pagans. I don't worry about the road.
What me walk with?
Cause we don't know my bacon. Shut not worry about life. But they worry about them.
Anyway in the world, Mr. Team Shalaminati and
And on the international scene, recording artist Koffee has landed a collaboration with international superstar Ed Sheeran. According to Koffee's managers Tommy Chang and Pierre Boast, Sheeran's team reached out to them and stated that knowledge of Chronixx being on board propelled them to be even more excited about the collaboration. Koffee describes her latest accomplishment as surreal and amazing at the recording artist Busy Signal was involved in a motor vehicle accident in Colombia over the weekend. The self-proclaimed turf boss took to his Instagram page advising fans that he suffered minor injuries and advised fans that he is doing well and is set to perform in Colombia.
I wonder if, what if when me say step out, me did a step back? What if me never smoke weed and I smoke crack? What if me never master my craft? Business lock, wonder how them girl ya woulda react. What if me did a
International dancehall and soca artist Roger Kassop, known in the entertainment circles as Razab, has been recognized by the Durham Caribbean Festival organization. The organization, based in Ajax, Canada, has awarded him for his contributions to music and entrepreneurship. The successful recording artist has, over the years, been a hardworking entrepreneur as well, both in Canada and Jamaica. With the opening of the successful Kassop's Kitchen family restaurant in Jamaica late last year, the Durham Caribbean Festival Committee decided that it was time to honor the recording artist and businessman this year. And finally, Kim Kardashian has announced on her Instagram page that she will be renaming her shapewear line. The name that stands as kimono is no longer to be used. According to Kim, she made the decision to name her company Kimono not because she disassociates the words from the Japanese root, but as a nod to the beauty and detail that it gives to the garment. However, the international superstar released that she will be changing the name as a result of feedback from her fans. The new name has yet to be released.
And my own boss has been one of the most rewarding challenges I've been blessed with in my life. What's made it possible for me after all of these years has been the direct line of communication with my fans and the public. I am always listening, learning, and growing. I so appreciate the passion.
And that's it for today's segment of Scoopy Loopy. I'm your girl Uns. See you later.